SWS Natu Natu series में आपका स्वागत है. Now this is going to be a slightly different video. It's not going to be MCQ based. It's not going to be explanation based. But I'm going to basically tell you how to actually write your answers as far as the subjective questions are concerned. Mic on है. Yeah. So as far as the subjective questions are concerned, तो उसमें जो संजीवनी बूटी है जिससे कि आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे वो होता है ए वर्ड कॉल्ड द कीवर्ड. ये कीवर्ड क्या होता है? ओके, लाइक इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में आई हैड टोल्ड यू read the text multiple times even on the morning of 1st of March. All those students who did so got 16 out of 16. So advice suno, it's based on experience, practical experience and an understanding of how the system works. Okay, ये हवा में बातें नहीं होते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, it is the experience of how our students in previous batches have done, and we keep on fine tuning strategies as a result. So which is why all summer and day में वो silence जैसा question our students have got it right, because text पढ़ो. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, सिर्फ ये बताया है कि text पर ध्यान दो. हिस्ट्री में भी मैं वही बोलूंगा, फैक्चुअल डिटेल्स एंड कीवर्ड. तो इस वीडियो में मैं कीवर्ड्स की बात करूंगा. ओके, ये डिकोडिंग द कीवर्ड एंड आल्सो सम पिक्चर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, उसको कैसे टैकल करना है. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव टेकन a couple of questions from the pupil analysis only, so that you understand with the help of two examples, one from civics, one from history. I'll tell you exactly what are the keywords that you need to keep in mind. कोई न्यूक्लियर सीक्रेट नहीं है. State any three exclusive powers of the Lok Sabha that is not enjoyed by the Rajya Sabha, the other house. Okay. Now, उसमें जो भी मैंने रेड में लिखा है, those are all keywords and key phrases. जिसका कि होना जरूरी है. ये वर्ड्स होंगे आपको पूरे मार्क्स 3 मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. So motions of no confidence against the government can only be introduced and passed in the Lok Sabha. ये लिखना जरूरी है. उसके बाद in more detail you can say that Council of Ministers can enjoy power only until they enjoy the trust of the Lok Sabha, the lower house, the house of the people. So this is point number 1. This part in red is the keywords or key phrases जिसका कि होना जरूरी है. I am not saying the same language, but motions of no confidence against the government introduced and passed in the Lok Sabha, these are all keywords. Okay. Second keyword, key phrase, money bills can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. Okay. And the Rajya Sabha cannot reject or amend it. Okay. The Lok Sabha is where the budget is presented and passed and it has complete control over financial matters. So ये आप लिखेंगे, लेकिन this part is important. Money bills का. This is the other exclusive part. So the examiners को क्या दिया जाता है? They are given the list of keywords कि ये देखो ये है, तो स्टूडेंट्स को पूरे मार्क्स मिलने चाहिए. So it is not any kind of subjective evaluation anymore. ये है, मार्क्स मिलेंगे. That's how it is seen. In case of a deadlock between the two houses, the will of the Lok Sabha prevails because of higher numerical strength. Okay, so ये लिखो, मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. Can pass an adjournment motion. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं अगर 3 पॉइंट्स पूछा जाए तो एक बोनस में दो. Ask 3 get 1 free. तो हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा दो. अगर आपके पास है, आपको मालूम है, तो एक और एक्स्ट्रा दे दो ताकि you are giving something extra to the examiner. Impress भी हो जाएंगे कि ओके, ये बच्चे को जितना पूछा गया है उससे ज्यादा मालूम है. Okay, so that is something which you can do. Now let's come to history. I hope now you are understanding. So you keep underlining these keywords in your book, in your notes. The more times you read it, and I would assume that you should be able to go, by the time 6th morning comes, you should be able to do 2 solid full revisions of both history and civics. Mention any apart from sample papers that you should do, which you should definitely do. SWS में more than 33 sample papers are there, so you should have a look at them. Plus all the MCQs that we have done as part of the Natu Natu series, even last year के सब देखो. There are about 7, 8 or 9, 10 videos are there, so पूरा देखो, काफी solid revision हो जाएगी. Mention any 3 proposals under the Mountbatten plan. अगर पूछा जाए 3 या 4 पूछा जाए, ये सारा जो रेड में लिखा है ये सारे कीवर्ड्स हैं. पार्टीशन इनटू 2 डोमिनियंस, रिलेशन. उसके बाद यू कैन राइट इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. रिलेशंस बिटवीन द 2 न्यू डोमिनियंस क्या होगा, टू डिसाइड व्हाट रिलेशन ईच वन टू हैव, एंड द कॉमनवेल्थ, ब्रिटेन के साथ क्या रखना है. देन थर्ड पॉइंट, बाउंड्री कमीशन, एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, प्रिंसली स्टेट्स के साथ ट्रीटीज ओके वुड एंड एंड दे वुड डिसाइड वेदर टू जॉइन इंडिया और पाकिस्तान और रिमेन इंडिपेंडेंट. जैसे हैदराबाद, जूनागढ़, कश्मीर का जो प्रॉब्लम हुआ था फॉर मेनी months it could not be solved, right? Like Hyderabad became independent 13 months after India's independence. बंगाल एंड पंजाब के बारे में लिखना है अगर और पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं, बट अगर 3 पूछा जाए, ये पहले 4 दे दो, आपके लिए काफी है. बंगाल एंड पंजाब, सिंध, नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर प्रोविंस, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ सिलहेट, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली फॉर बोथ द पार्टीज एंड द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पावर वुड टेक प्लेस बिफोर 1948. सो ये जो रेड में जो लिखा है, अगर आपने इनको लिखा है in terms of keywords, you will get. In this case, I would advise you कि ये मत लिखना कि सिर्फ ये पॉइंट नंबर सिर्फ पॉइंट नंबर 5, 6, 7 लिख के आ जाओ और बोलो कि मेरे को मार्क्स चाहिए. नो, द फर्स्ट 4 points are obviously the more important points, which is why they have been put in that order. Okay, so that's as far as the keywords are concerned. Now, as far as, let's move to the picture composition. Now, there are a whole lot of pictures which are part of your textbook, whichever textbook you're following, whether it is Morning Star or D.N. Kundra or any of the others. Okay, please look at the pictures very carefully because एक question तो आएगा picture composition को लेकर. Okay, so you should not mess up on that. उसमें questions will be very basic. It will ask, इस photograph में कौन है या ये monument कौन सा है. This came in 2019, I know. So which monument it is, yeah, who is the person involved, and then there will be questions involving that personality. So starting with Raja Rammohn Roy, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jyotiba Phule, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Rabindranath Tagore, Jawaharlal Nehru, all these जो individual photographs हैं, आप सभी को देख लीजिए. All of them, A.O. Hume, you should see all those personalities and know किसने क्या किया था. लाला लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बिपिन चंद्र पाल, all these personalities you should know. The Indian personalities you should know, you should be able to identify and know उनके achievements क्या थे, what was the organization they were involved with, what were the books that they wrote, right? You need to know all these things. जैसे मैंने पहले वीडियो में कहा था, tabular form में प्रिपेयर करके रख लो, बहुत आसानी होगी. Okay, so this is as far as now this kind of a photograph of Bal Pal Lal, right? So you should know Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal. So you should have an idea about it. Okay, then as I said, the individual photographs. Then another thing which I want you to know is the photograph of all the viceroys or governor generals. Dalhousie, okay, Curzon, all these people, you should be able to know the Lord Lytton, जैसे black दाढ़ी थी, you should be able to kind of identify all the people, and of course people, someone like this, when Mahatma Gandhi is with Lord Mountbatten, right? So this kind of a photograph, this was there in the specimen paper of 2022. Okay, so I do not find it normally in textbooks, okay, but you should be able to kind of relate to it. So this is Lord Mountbatten with Mahatma Gandhi. So look at all the photographs. This one of Dandi March is again very important. Mahatma Gandhi with Subhash Chandra Bose, और इसको photograph लेके you can be asked questions about the differences, if any. I mean, if that also comes as a question, and definitely about Subhash Chandra Bose, right? Subhash Chandra Bose ka in the INA uniform also can come as a picture question. So please remember that. This is already there in the specimen paper this year. I'm not too sure whether that will be repeated. Then, of course, this is very important. I mean, easy, United Nations ka. Then, in the world, this thing, Adolf Hitler, Mussolini, okay, please be able to identify each one of them. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, nuclear bomb, I don't think, I mean, though it's there in your textbook, whether this thing, and then they relate it to the World Wars II, that's also possible. But I'm sure you will be able to do the same. Queen Victoria's photograph, again, you should be able to identify. So these are some of the picture compositions के लिए. So the basic questions will come. किसने किया क्या? Like for instance, if you ask about this photograph is given. What did she do? What was the proclamation about? Where was it implemented? Right? Where was the Delhi Darbar held? Right? January 1, 1877. Right? I mean, the act was passed in 1876, but January 1, 1877 when the Delhi Darbar was held. But the Royal Act is 1876. So there are this, whenever there's a December-January ka overlap, don't get confused out there. So that is another thing which is there. So all these things about characters, picture composition, you should be able to, because the first question will come to identify and then there will be questions related to it. So अगर आप पहला क्वेश्चन ही रॉन्ग कर देंगे तो बाकी के 2, 3, 4 वगैरह ऑटोमेटिकली रॉन्ग हो जाएंगे. सो बी वेरी श्योर, जो भी मैंने पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशंस की बात की उनको प्रैक्टिस कीजिए सो दैट यू आर एबल टू गेट देम राइट. ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू. मजा आएगा. अच्छा करके आना, पेपर फोड़ के आना, द वे यू से इट इन योर यूथफुल लिंगो. ओके, पेपर फोड़ के आना, पेपर अच्छा करना. एज आई सेड, 80 on 80 is a very real possibility in history and civics. History, civics, geography can really elevate your final score, right? And that's what I would really want each one of you to do out here. Until then, SWS NATO series से जुड़े रहिए. Thank you very much.